Hi friends, how are you all? This is Vijay Kumar, Maths Expert. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss statistics, exercise problems. Problem number 1. So the problem is, a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. Here number of plants are given and number of houses also given. So number of plants we are taking as a class intervals, number of houses we are taking as a frequency. So class intervals, how it is given, let's see here: 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. Now number of houses, it means it is the frequency. Frequency is given by 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. Now given data I written like this: number of plants and number of houses. Here we need to find the mean. So mean, here they didn't mention any particular method. So we need to follow three methods for this problem. First one is direct mean method, second one is assumed mean method, third one is step deviation method. So first one is direct mean method. So direct mean method in, what is the formula? Mean x bar equal sigma fi xi by sigma fi is the formula. So sigma fi xi, fi, what is fi? Fi means frequency of ith class, frequency of the ith class. So ith class means here we are taking first class interval, means it is the first frequency, second class interval, second frequency, like this we need to take. And xi, what is xi? Xi means class mark xi. So xi, how we have to find? Xi equal L plus U by 2. So class mark, or we need to take mid value of the class. Class mark or mid value of the class. So here xi equal L plus U by 2. So what is L and U? L is lower limit, U is upper limit. So the average of lower limit and upper limit only class mark. Okay, sigma fi means sum of the frequencies all we need to take. Here we need to find the class mark. Class mark is xi equal L plus U by 2. So xi equal L means lower limit 0 plus upper limit is 2 by 2. That equal 0 plus 2, 2 by 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are, that value is 1. Next, 2 to 4 class interval, lower limit is 2 plus upper limit is 4 by 2. 2 plus 4 is 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are, that value is 3. Next class interval, lower limit is 4, upper limit is 6 by 2. 4 plus 6, 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are, that value is 5. Next, 6 to 8 class interval, lower limit is 6, upper limit is 8 by 2. Average we are taking here. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 by 2. 2 1s are 2 7s are. So 7. Now 8 to 10 class interval, lower limit is 8, upper limit is 10 by 2. 8 plus 10, 18. 18 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So 9 we need to take. 10 to 12 class interval, so lower limit is 10 and upper limit is 12 by 2. So 10 plus 12, 22. 22 by 2. 2 1s are 2 11s are. That values we are taking 11. Last class, 12 to 14 class interval, lower limit is 12, upper limit is 14 by 2. That equal 26 by 2. 2 1s are 2 13s are. Now we got here, what we got it here? Class marks we got it. So class mark is, first class mark is 1, Next class is 3 and 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Now we need to find Fi and Xi. So Fi means first class interval. Frequency 1 into 1, 1. Next class interval frequency is 2 into 3, 6. Next one is 1 into 5, 5. Next 5 into 7, 35. 5 7s are 35. 6 into 9, 6 9s are 54. Next 2 into 11, 22. Last class interval frequency is 3, class mark is 13. 3 into 13, 39. Now we need to find sigma. Here formula is sigma Fi Xi now. So sigma means sum we need to take. Total we need to take the sum. So sigma Fi Xi equal to, we need to find again here. We need again one more also we need. What we need? Sigma Fi. So sigma Fi also you have to find. Sigma Fi means 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. That value we are getting 20 we are getting. 20. Next we need to find the Fi and Xi. Sigma Fi and Xi. Summation only we are taking the here means 1 plus 6 plus 5 plus 35 plus 54 plus 22 plus 39. This total we are getting 162. 162. Now we have to apply the formula. First you can write it here. Sigma Fi Xi equal, what we got it here? 162. And sigma Fi equal 20 we got it. So main x bar equal, already we written here. Main x bar equal sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. Sigma Fi Xi. Sigma Fi Xi value how much here? 62. 162 by 20. Now I will cancel here. 21 the 20. 28 the 160. Means 2 remained. We need to keep the point. Means we are getting 0. So 21 the 20. So total how much we are getting? 8.1 we are getting. So mean x bar equal 8.1. So it is the direct mean method. So direct mean method in formula sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi is the formula. Now we will go to assumed mean method. Now same data only, number of plants and number of houses. Number of houses we are taking as a frequency and number of plants it is a class interval. So assumed mean method we are following. So assumed mean method in mean formula, mean equal a plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi is the formula. So here what is A? A means assumed value. So next di. Di means deviation. Deviation of the ith class. So di equal, it is the formula xi minus a. Xi means class mark, a means assumed value. So class mark to that particular class mark to we are subtracting assumed value, we are getting di. So sigma Fi already we know. Sigma Fi means total frequencies and sigma Fi di means product of frequency and deviation. Now for that problem, for this data we need class mark we need. Class mark xi equal L plus u by 2 and di also we need. Di equal xi minus a. Last column is Fi di. Xi means L plus u by 2. Class mark we need to find. So average of lower limit and upper limit. So lower limit is 2 plus, lower limit is 0 plus upper limit is 2 by 2. That equal 2 by 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are. That equal 1. Next class interval 2 to 4. Lower limit is 2 plus 4 by 2. That equal 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. That value we are getting 3. Next class interval lower limit is 4 upper limit is 6 by 2. That value 6 plus 4 is 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Next class 6 plus 8 by 2, that equal 6 plus 8 is 14 by 2. 2 1s are 2 7s are. Next 8 to 10 class interval, lower limit is 8 plus 10 by 2, that equal 18 by 2. 2 1s are 2 9s are. Next 10 to 12 class interval, lower limit is 10, upper limit is 12 by 2, that equal 10 plus 12 22 by 2. 2 1s are 2 11s are, that equal 11. Next class, last class, 12 to 14, lower limit is 12, upper limit is 14 by 2. So 12 plus 14 26. So 2 1s are 2 13s are, that equal 13. So now we got the here class marks, we got it. Now we need to find the DI. DI, how we are getting? Xi minus A. Xi means class mark, that particular class interval class mark. A means anyone you have to assume. In this class marks to anyone we can assume. So we are assuming first class only. First class mark only we are assuming, means it is easy to you. We are finding direct only. So if you are assuming in the middle of the class intervals, so it is somewhat we are getting negative symbols and positive symbols. For calculation purpose it is somewhat difficult. So that's why I am taking A first class interval, first class mark only I am taking. So here Xi means 1 minus A also 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next Xi is 3 minus A is 1. A value 1 only we took now. So 3 minus 1, 2. Next Xi is 5 minus 1, that equal 4. Next class interval 7 is the Xi minus 1, that equal 6. Next 9 minus 1, that equal 8. 10 minus 1, sorry, here 10 minus 1 not. Xi is 11 minus A is 1, that equal 10. Last class interval class mark is 13 minus 1, that equal 12. Now we need to find FIDI, means product of frequency and deviation. So frequency is 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 4, 4. 5 into 6, 30. 6 into 8, 48. 2 into 10, 20. 3 into 12, 3 12 are 36. Now we have find sigma FIDI. So sigma FIDI equal sigma FIDI. Sigma FIDI means this total we need to take the sum. Means 0 plus 4 plus 4 plus 30 plus 48 plus 20 plus 36. So this total value how much we are getting? 142. So we are getting as a 142. Again we need to find sigma Fi Xi. So sigma Fi. So sigma Fi means 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. So this total value we are getting as already we done, that is 20. Now we can find mean equal A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. So before that, what is A, what is sigma Fi, that one you can write it. A equal to assumed value, what is we are assumed here? 1 we assumed. Sigma Fi di. So sigma Fi di value how much we got it? 142. Now we can find sigma Fi. Sigma Fi value is 20. So mean x bar equal A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. A value how much here? 1 plus sigma Fi di value 142 by 20. 20 table time cancelling. 21 is 20. 27 is 140. Means point we are keeping means 20 we are getting. So 21 is 20. Means here 1 plus 7.1 we are getting. 1 plus 7.1. So integral part we have to add, integral decimal part we need to add. So here 1 plus 7 is 8. 8.1 we are getting. So mean equal 8.1. So for direct mean also we got it 8.1. Here assumed mean method also we got it 8.1. Now third method, it is the step deviation method. So for step deviation method, what is the formula? Mean x bar equal a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So a means assumed value. So in a class mark we are assuming that value. Fi means frequency of the ith class. Ui means here one formula xi minus a by h. Xi minus a by h. So here sigma fi means summation of total frequencies, h equal height of the class. Height of the class. So here for same data only I am taking here. So for same data we need to take class mark. So class mark xi equal L plus u by 2 and ui equal xi minus a by h. Next column is fi ui. So here h value, what is the h value? Height of the class, how we have to find? Any two successive class intervals, lower limits or upper limits difference we need to take. So h value, how we are taking? The difference between any two successive class intervals, lower limits or upper limits. So I am taking here lower limits, I am taking 2 minus 0, we are getting 2. 4 minus 2, we are getting 2. 6 minus 4, 2. All in upper limits also like that only we are getting. Here h value we are getting 2. So here h equal to 2. Now we can find the class mark. So lower limit is 0 plus 2 by 2. 0 plus 2 is 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So 1. So now we got here class mark, height of the class. So height of the class we can add to class mark, we are getting the class mark. 1 plus 2, that value is 3. So size of the class or height of the class we are adding means we are getting next class mark we are getting. 3 plus height of the class is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. Now you can find ui value we need to find. Ui equal xi minus a by h. H value here 2. Xi means particular class mark. And A means first class only we are assuming. So first class means 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 by 2 value 0. Next class interval 3 minus 1 by 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. That value we are getting 1. Next class 5 minus 1 by 2. 5 minus 1 is 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So that value is 2. Next class 7 minus 1. Xi is 7. A is 1 by 2. That equals 7 minus 1 is 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. That value is 3. Next 8 to 10 class interval. Xi is 9 minus 1 by 2. 9 minus 1 is 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are. That equals 4. Next 10 to 12 class interval. 11 minus 1 by 2. 11 minus 1 is 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are. Last class 12 to 14 class interval. Xi is 13 minus 1 by 2. 13 minus 1 is 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 sixes are. That value is 6. Now we got it. Ui's we got it. Now we need to find Fi and Ui. Means product of frequencies and Ui we need to multiply. 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 2, 2. 5 into 3, 15. 6 into 4, 24. 2 into 5, 10. 3 into 6, 18. again we need to find sigma fi ui. Sigma fi ui means, so here we need to add this all fi uis we need to add. So 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 15 plus 24 plus 10 plus 18. That value we are getting 71. Next, here sigma fi xi value already we know 20. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. That value we are getting 20. Now you can write it here. A assumed value. A equal to, how much we are assumed? 1. Sigma fi ui equal, sigma fi ui value, how much we got it? 71. Sigma fi value 20 and h value is 2. H value is 2. Now you can write mean x bar equal a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So here a value, how much here? A value is 1 plus sigma fi ui. Sigma fi ui value is 71 by sigma fi value is 20 into h value 2. So 1 plus, you can multiply 71 into 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14 by 20. 22 you have to cancel, 21 are 20, 27 are 140, point means it is 20, 21 are 20. So 1 plus 7.1. So 1 plus 7.1, integral part you can add 8, 1 plus 7 is 8, decimal part as it is. So mean x bar equal 8.1. So in these three methods we got it. Direct mean method also we got 8.1, assumed mean method 8.1, and step deviation method also we are getting 8.1 only. Which method we are following, it is the same answer we are getting. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Dear friends and students, do you like this video? Share to your friends and family members. Don't forget like and comment on this topic. Thank you very much. Signing off.